So today I'd like to talk about treasure hunting and how treasure hunting can be used as a strategy to help you sort through if you are downsizing, eliminating, shedding, or decluttering. It's another strategy that you can use to help yourself make decisions about things that are showing up in your life. Now today I actually did some decluttering myself. It seemed like a great time to do it. We had a very quiet day and I had some boxes that I've been meaning to sort. And I thought, well, maybe if I went on a treasure hunt, I just might be able to get rid of one of those boxes. So in a treasure hunt, you're actually looking for the valuable things in your life. If you're looking at an array of things, they could all be useful. They could all be in good shape. They don't have to be broken to no longer have a future in your life. But maybe you're not sure if you should keep them or not, but you do want to downsize, declutter, eliminate, and shed. So think about what are the treasures in your life. So while I was emptying my boxes today, I found, this is a Kina shell, and I lived in Papua New Guinea for 2.5 years in the South Pacific, and these shells, these Kina shells, were used as money. Once upon a time, this was the money, and in fact, in almost all of the tribes, the Kina shells still hold a great deal of financial and material value. So I found this, which I had forgot that I had packed away very, very carefully in one of those boxes for our move 6 years ago. Another thing that I found was, look at these notes. Can you see that? I hope there's not too much glare. I am a huge fan of lighthouses. I love lighthouses. And I had forgotten that I had this little notepad with lighthouses, and this is the kind of thing that I put my daily to-do list on. So I was really happy to find that. And another thing that I found, now here's some serious treasure. Ta-da! Money! Wow, I know, right? I found my $1 and $2 bills, which are no longer in circulation in Canada. We have replaced them many years ago with the loonie and the toonie. And along with my treasure hunt, I was able to find some things that really didn't have much value to me any longer. And I was able to figure out where I was going to put them. There was a whole bunch of stuff went into recycling. A few things went into the garbage. A few things are going off to younger family members, young nieces. And other things are just going to go to donation when we can donate again. So I hope that that's a strategy that you might find helpful. So think about what's the treasure in your life. If you're looking at an array of things and you're thinking, what would be a real treasure for me? What really strikes at my heart? What really has meaning? What really has value? What really wants to stay with me and carry on as a future in my life? So I hope that's helpful, everybody, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Bye-bye now.